Welcome to the navigation screen and the first of many tutorials that will follow on each screen within your life system. The first thing I want you to notice is in the upper left-hand corner, you do have a tutorial button. You will see this on each screen, no matter how you navigate. Each screen will have a tutorial button that you can press and that will open these tutorial videos. Okay, we're going to start on navigation. Within the navigation screen, you have a help button. In that help button, when you open it, it describes each element within the screen. If you scroll down, it has some great schematics that aid you in connecting the harness and the arm and leg harnesses, along with connecting it to your computer. I advise that you read each of these help sections within the screens prior to playing the tutorial videos. The X will close it. Also on the screen, you have demographics, reactivity, lifestyle, and history. They are not highlighted at this point because you have not logged in. Once we log in, it will highlight demographics first, and it will lead you along with the highlighted buttons. The ones that are highlighted are the exit and the restart. Exit button will take you out if you decide not to run the session. And the restart is something that you must do in between clients. Each client, you have to restart the life system prior to going in and choosing that client. If you try to do a new client prior to restarting, you will receive an error message. Now, your default login is 1. I'm going to place 1 in there and click login. If you'll notice, the EMR protection button appeared, and also the login changed to log out. You also have change password options on this screen, and if you choose to change your passwords, you just put your current password of 1 in this section, and then your new passwords in these 2, and then you want to be sure and put a new password hint. I'm going to cancel out because I don't want to change the password. The hint that you put in will appear as this one does. So your password hint is the numeral 1, which is the default. Also on the navigation page, we have test harness. If you want to test your harness, we have the mission statement, and I suggest you read that. And we have the program information, which contains the life corporate office address and also the version that you're running. And then you also have information that's unique to your system down in the right-hand corner. Here you can choose language. You can choose English, Spanish, German, French, and Italian. And as I told you earlier, once you logged in and it says logged in, you now have a demographics button, which you did not have earlier prior to login. So on to the next video.